Okay, let's learn one more very interesting statement. Only A is B, right? It is very easy, but I've seen people getting confused a lot whenever we talk about only a few and only A is B. Only a few we have already seen. Now let's go with the only A is B. Okay. Now this is A. Okay. What he has given? Only A is B. This circle is B. Observe, only A is B means all B should be inside A, but with a condition. This B should not touch with anybody else. Why he should not touch with anybody else? That is what is given in the statement. Only A is B, nobody else is B. Understanding the point, whenever he gives only A is B, we will have to do a B inside and A outside, and better mark like this to avoid confusions in the exam. So I have shown this head mark throughout all the problems we are solving in syllogism, just to make you guys understand only A is B concept clearly. Okay, so these lines are must to indicate that we have built a fence here. Okay, and nobody else can come and touch B. Is that point clear? So if he gives only X is Y, so what do we have to do? We have to draw all Y inside X. So this is Y and this becomes X, and we should make sure Y will not touch with anybody. Then only I can say only X is Y, right? If I tell only X is Y, only X is Y, nobody else can become Y. It means Y will not touch with anybody else. That is why he is protected inside X. And only A is B means all B is inside A, because B has to be protected such that B will not touch with anybody else, right? But understand, A can touch with C, A can touch with D, but this D cannot touch with B. Is that point clear? Okay, now let's answer some basic questions. Can A and B overlap together? Understand this point. A and B can be overlapped if A is not connected to anyone. Okay, if A is not connected to anyone, we can overlap A and B. If A is not connected to anyone, then only we can overlap A and B. If suppose sum A is a C, okay, now if I overlap A with B, what happens? I will get this circle, the same circle as B, right? In this case, what is happening? A and B will come here, and B is overlap, B is touching C, but we know that B cannot touch with anybody else. In this case, A and B cannot overlap. A and B can be overlapped only if A is not connected to anybody else. Is it possible to separate A and B? No, definitely not, because B is inside A. How can you separate A and B? So it is not at all possible to separate A and B. Is that point clear? This is all about all, no, some not, only a few, and only cases. Clear?